Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen Touareg. This is the 3 litre diesel R-Line Plus 4MOTION, finished in the stunning deep black pearlescent paint. At the front you have the Bi-Xenon headlights. They really make you visible to other road users and it's really nice and bright for you to illuminate the road. With it being the R-Line, you've got the lovely chrome detailing, so the chrome window surround and roof rails. And you do also have the rear tinted windows, so it just gives that bit of privacy to anyone travelling in the back. A great feature on the car is the electric tailgate, so if you hold down the key fob it'll open for you, so it's perfect for those days when you've got your hands full or you're in a rush. And inside the boot you can see there's tons of space in there for all your things. You've also got the push button to close at the top, so it electrically closes for you. You do also have the keyless entry and start feature on the car, so it saves you routing for keys if you're rushing around. And inside the back you can see there's plenty of space in the back if this is going to be your family car. And you've got the lovely Titan Black Vienna leather, really luxurious and it's really comfortable too. The car's covered just over 22,000 miles, so it is a fairly low mileage car for this age. So we'll get in and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So in the inside you've got the HDD satellite navigation system built in here with a colour touch screen. You have got a DAB digital radio as well for all your music needs. And here's your sat-nav system. As you can see it's a really good size screen, really clear and easy to use as well. If I pop the car into reverse, you can see you've got the surround camera system and the rear view parking camera with front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for keeping your car lovely and safe. You've also got the heated steering wheel, so it keeps your hands nice and warm in the cold winter weather. Underneath you've got your climate control under here and you've got the heated front seats, so it keeps you nice and toasty when it's cold. You've got the push storage compartment under there with the 12-volt charger. And the cars are automatic, so you've got the automatic gear stick here with your electronic parking brake. You've got the on-road and off-road settings for your driving, just to change how it feels while you're driving. And the dual armrest under there with the storage underneath as well. Along the dash you've got the lovely glossy and silver insert there. And a great feature is the electric glass panoramic sunroof. You just twist to open and it opens really quickly as well. Lets lots of light flood into the car, it's absolutely incredible. And then twist the other way to close. As you can see it closes really quick as well. You do also have the electric sunblind, so there's 2 arrows on the button. You just press one in and it'll close for you. You can just close it halfway or part way if you like. I'll just give you a close-up of the Titan Black Vienna leather seats. As you can see they're in a lovely condition. There is some slight wear on them, but it's nothing that you wouldn't expect with leather. It's just the nature of it, unfortunately. Over to your steering wheel here. You can see you've got your instrument cluster just there. You have automatic headlights, so it's one less thing to think about. Heated and folding door mirrors, so it just gives you that extra security when you're parking on narrow streets. And the electric front and rear windows as well. Car will be fully serviced prior to handover with both keys, and it comes with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty. Any further information, please just give us a call. Thank you.